Now it's time to look at the Poland from a street view and Google Earth vision, and also I prepare for fun, let's say, a thermal map with a temperature and a history one. Let's see how actually they started and when we saw the first name of Poland in the history. Now, as I make that video today with the population, now it's time to look at how is actually exactly the Polish people live randomly on the map. Nothing scripted, just randomly. Let's see how they're doing. And let's go with the south. Look at this. When I see those maps, when it's pretty much full cover, you can even see the border. It's full cover in Google Street View and 360s. That means very well developed country for me. Now let's check it. I go in the southern part in the mountains and already seen pretty much nothing, but it's nice. I don't know who took those. This 360 looks like 100% from a drone, but it's something. That's nice. Already starting good. Yesterday we were in the west coast of United States again. I think I make my best video there in the US. It looks so nice. Now let's go here. Like I say, randomly, nothing scripted. Let's see how they actually live. And so far so good. I don't know if we got in real good neighborhood, but I have to say, it looks really nice. Those are one of those old houses, but I can see some new windows. So they are new windows, new roof. So they're doing pretty well. And these green fences, I always like it. Now, I'm not a big fan of those pretty much, I don't know, basic house, I would say. I would like to see more with incline from architecture. From this, look at this. When I look at this, I like more the fence than the house itself. So that tells you something. And look at this with the front sidewalk, yard, I don't know how you call it. Looks great. And even this guy yard looks amazing. Look at this. That's a nice way to live. Housing, pretty, like I say, pretty standard. I would call it. But the Polish people know how to take care of the yards, and also they like nice fences. Now, like I say, going randomly, give me some, let's say, some Netherlands vibe, like we saw, I think, still yesterday. We went to Netherlands. It is nice. The road, it's decent, I will call it. Not perfect, obviously, but still pretty nice. And this part, like I said, we are in the south here. Let's go to extreme. Let's go in the northern part, on the beach. Let's see how nice are the beaches in Poland. I already see they have that non-development. Oh, it looks actually really nice. Oh yeah, that is actually, I didn't expect that. I don't know how much expensive it is to travel to Poland, but if you travel in this northern region, it really looks nice. I mean, look at this. It's a pretty much forest beach. Like I say, I like this corridor that they don't allow you to just build right on the beach like we see in other countries. Just you have to leave a few meters, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 meters. Just don't touch the tree line. And look at this, just have some a way to go to the beach. I mean, if you live here, that's pretty much, I would say, paradise. The road is nice. Let's see if we can find something more clearly. Looks like a hotels here for me. I don't think it's exactly, look at this. Yeah, definitely think those are hotels. I don't know if somebody actually lived there, but if you actually live there in that nice tree forest, look at this. That's nice. Everybody, when it thinks of Poland, is like same story. Everybody ask what you think about Poland to go on vacation. Just say you go to the city, go to Warsaw, and that's it. But look at this, the northern part, it's way better. And that tree line, that just make my day. That's nice. This one too. Look at this. That's pretty much. If you show me that picture, let's find another. If you show me, let's hope it's a good one. But let's see. Yeah, if you show me, it's not that great actually. Oh, this one. If you show me this picture, I would say that's definitely it's in a Scandinavian country, 100%. But it's not. It's Poland. It's northern Poland. So yeah, the extreme that we just made. Let's go, because here this is part, I think it's Russia, or at least Kaliningrad, the part of the Russian. Let's check the road here. That northern part is really nice. I didn't expect that. I like these small roads also. Very well maintained. You can see. Nice to travel. The speed limit is too low in my opinion. 60. I don't think it's that much. It's supposed to be at least 100. It's nobody there. Come on. Let's see. Let me check the borders very quick. Let's go on the part in with Ukraine. Let's see. I hope I'm not mistaken here, but I think this pretty much is Ukraine on the other side. Yeah, the road not that well. I wonder why the road to go to Ukraine is not that well maintained. They clearly they try to fix it, but again, doesn't look that well. I mean, I have to say I was extremely surprised about that. No, you're gonna check that in the end again, the northern part, because that was really nice. I don't know why everybody should. I mean, I don't know exactly how Poland does his what is this? His advertisement for tourism, but I will include like 90% just that beach, because that's just pretty much a seller. Oh, and this is too. What is this? Looks like a salt lake to me, but I'm not sure. And you have a few boats here. How big is it? It's pretty decent. Let's see if you have some other pictures. That was nice actually. I don't know what is this. Probably some old quarry, like here. Looks like that. And a bicycle. Probably this is how they got this 360. I don't know how many, if they have, the Poland have lakes. I don't know, it's kind of stupid question, but let's see if I can find one from above. Yeah, they have lakes. Okay, it's just that are very well hidden. Let's check this one right on the edge. Yeah, pretty nice. Again on the bicycle, so they actually travel by the bicycle here. It's pretty much a flat country, like I said, so that northern beach actually makes sense. Would you trade mountains for a beach like that? That's the question. Let's check in this area with Germany. Let's see how the road are with Germany on the German part. I think this one goes to the border, but I'm not sure. Yeah, much better. Much better road. Immediately look at this one. It's just pretty much brand new. I think it was finished yesterday. They have some parts here, but doesn't compare with the one from Ukraine. Much better. And look at those fields. Very nice. Let's check a small town, a small border town. From curiosity. Let's see if find the supermarket here, because it looks like that, huh? Yeah, I think it's a supermarket. Nice church. I like those pavements with the cubic stone. We have an orange store here. Those buildings, hate it, but it cannot be perfect, obviously. And this one I really hate it. That's pretty much a Soviet apartment, 100%. Look at this. Those I really hate. Just horrible looking. I would not want to live here, even if it's that close to Germany. Probably a lot of them. If you live that close to Germany, probably just go to work to Germany. You just cross the border every day. It makes sense. You just cross the border, and hopefully, if you go, ideally, you're gonna live on that beach border with Germany. That right. We have a lake border. I didn't know that. Let me check this one. Let's check this one. Maybe it's exactly from here. You're gonna see both sides. Yeah, exactly what I suspected. Both sides from the air. Nice forest, nice lakes, and there is Germany. I wonder, but now it was still East Germany back then. I was wondering if it was in the communist era, you can actually cross the lake, go to Germany, but just end up in the west, in the East Germany, not in the west one. So doesn't make sense to do it. Those houses are much better, I would say, than that communist apartments building. And again, look at those yards, impeccable. It just look like a football field. I have no idea what of those, probably a small garage or something like that, but the roads are pretty nice and clean. Don't see garbage anywhere. So that's a nice thing to say. And nice things to see actually. So yeah, Poland, like I said, go randomly on the map. I have no idea when it's Warsaw. It's gotta be more on the east side, I think. So somewhere I think around here. But let's see if you can see Warsaw. Probably it's this one, I'm not sure, but let's check this one real quick. Have a stadium. I know they have that huge building there, but no idea. I don't think it's this one now. I think this is probably Warsaw. Like I say, I don't want to even check it. Just want to see how actually it is there. Yeah, again, it's the same old question I would say from when I make those videos. Where do we want to live? Like we saw in west coast of America, United States. You want to live in a big city to make a bit more money, or you just want to live in a countryside to make less money but have a much better life? So it kind of goes, because so far pretty much everybody looks like they want to go to a city. So you see a lot of people moving to cities, and we see the Poland population going down. So so many things to consider. It's just probably you're never gonna come up with a clear answer. I used to like those cars, small ones, coupes. This one is not a coupe, but it's 4 doors, but nice hatchbacks. I like those small, old, light car. Always feels better than just the new ones. They're much more powerful and comfortable, but they're heavier. So this apartment building, look at this. If the communists just build like that, we'll have a much better architecture, I would say. But no, we have to have those ugly buildings, and I live in one of those ugly buildings in my country, so trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Horrible. I can't wait to just move from here. But yeah, a much better architecture, I would say. It looks much nicer. Yeah, that's better. And this is in Warsaw, 100%. Let's check this right here. Looks like in the middle of the park or something like that. Nah, it's from above, but still look better. Look at this green. Definitely it's an edited image, but still, it just burn my eyes, this green. And we have those city. Okay, the skyline, it looks pretty nice. And that's the building that I was talking about. It is actually pretty nice, but again, after I saw that beach, yeah, there is no way would you want to live here. Doesn't matter how much better it is, let's say, in a, oh, they have a nice airport, in the economic sense. Just getting out from the work and just go on that beach, that's priceless. I don't like this building, but probably it's not finished yet, so I'm gonna give them a free pass. Here again, the street's pretty clean, no problem. And here probably is something like a community gated, but it's just much newer construction. Oh, what is this one? It looks like look, it's a cemetery 100%, but here it looks like a base sports or what? That's not too bad. Look at this. I like we have those unfinished, let's say, alley or road, what I call it. But the football field is pretty much impeccable. So you don't need anything else. Yeah, we saw here. Let's go back to that northern part because I want to see exactly how it looks specifically on that northern beach. Let me just, because it's pretty nice to just be in there close to Germany. Again, look at that tree line. So they actually probably, this is the closest you can build from the beach, which I like it. Anything further than that's probably it's gonna be illegal. So you have that tree line. I don't know if you have it here. We have some trees here, but not like we used to. I saw there. And this one, it looks like a watchtower from a military base. Not sure if it's just exactly that, but probably we have to move a bit east to see those trees again. And yeah, look at this, much better. Oh, you have, look at this, is pretty much California here. I would say that's pretty much California. This is Northern California here, 100%. Look at this, just come from the work, just sit here on the beach, just chill out. That's the life. If I was in Poland, I would do probably anything to just move in this place, just don't care about anything else. Yeah, probably it's not that nice when there are too many tourists, but still great place to just live. Oh, what is this building here? Definitely a hotel, come on, it's gotta be a hotel. Yeah, hotel, but it's kind of close. Why they allow them to build that close to the beach? I don't like this one. Look at this, why they allow them to build and especially that monstrosity right there. Let me check those one. Yeah, this northern beach is amazing. It just makes everything 10 times better. I don't like this fence. It's just, what's the point of that? Just break the whole image, whole picture here. That it's and here again they have slow construction. Maybe it's not in every single part of the beach. Just some of them you can allow it to build closer, and some others do not. I don't know what it says here, but like I said, probably it's a private property or something like that. But I don't like those fences. But yeah, this northern beach, it's actually amazing, I have to say. Let's move a bit faster. Oh, they have an airport here. Oh, it's nice too. Look at this, just living in one of those areas close to the beach. No worries. Hopefully they have some good apartments. But it's kind of touristy here, so I don't like it. Maybe they have a part when they don't have that many tourists. That's gonna be one. Have a river here. Look at this. You can come with a bike. That's nice too. Those definitely look like northern countries beaches. Yeah, I didn't expect to be that nice. That's why I stay here in the northern part. I really like it. In the rest of the country, we kind of see how they live. It's not bad at all, but again, when you see the population that is dropping, it's kind of hard to make a prediction. And also, I saw something on YouTube recently that gonna say they're gonna get some illegal migrants from Germany. That's another one, which is kind of interesting because I think that Poland was always, yeah, and the road to Russia, it's still very bad. The Poland always say they're not gonna take zero migration, especially illegal migration, especially just illegal migration. You cannot have zero migration, but those who came without crossing a checkpoint, I think they say they never gonna allow them, but now it seems like they kind of do. So I don't know exactly where that's gonna lead. Yeah, those roads are much better. Yeah, Poland is pretty nice, especially if you live in that northwest part of that. So, or even northern Poland is pretty much here. So we don't have to deal with the Russian part. They have here on the Russian, let me see, we have exactly here nothing on the Russian part. Not that close. You're not gonna investigate in Russia now, but they have some 360 really close here. So probably, yeah, that's the furthest point you can actually go here and say that's Russia. 100% they're gonna say there is Russia. Here it's Poland. Yeah, and they have this clear beach, probably a demilitarized zone or whatever they call it. Can have more. Let me check another one. Probably from the same guy. And now, yeah, the same. Stop, that's Russia. Don't cross it. And there you can just go from the water and just cross it. Yeah, there it's exactly how it looks from Russia point. Let me check another one, and that's it. Look at this tree line again. Probably it's gonna be one of those nice ones if you are a good quality. And we do not get a good quality. But yeah, it is nice. So yeah, probably the best place to live in Poland, it's here. I would say in northern part of the Poland, especially in the northwest right here close to Germany part, so you can actually go to that nice beach and then you go to work in Germany, and that's it. So yeah, that was the video. If you live in Poland, tell me where do you live exactly and how you think the life is there, because it seems to be pretty good from above at least. And see you in the next video, and check the other videos if you didn't see it about the Polish population, and some other video about population in Europe and around the world. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about the temperature map and the history one. It's the first time I do it, so I forgot already. Poland, it's around here. Let's check some temperature. So right now 14 degrees, 15 degrees. The Europe is getting warmer this season, let's say this winter. We have a few days of really cold weather, but now it's pretty much warming up. And let's go with the history one. I almost closed my this map. You can see, right? So every civilization pretty much in Europe is brand new, I would say. Depends on which scale you look at it. I look at from the geological scale. So everything is pretty much happened a few seconds ago. And let's see when I'm gonna see the first. Look at this. Even let's say the year 0 is gonna be much more important. But for 2000 years, pretty much nothing in Europe. I'm not gonna stay. Let's see where the Polish people just starting arriving now. Nothing there. And clearly this is not exactly a extremely well made map, but look at this, Kingdom of Poland. When was the first time? I don't wanna missed one. So first time we see the word Poland is pretty much in 960. So 1,000 years of, and between 960 and 1025, so pretty much 1,000 years of Poland. You can see, let's go fast forward a bit, they just pretty much remain relative, I would say. Look at this, how big they got. Lithuania, and then now just pretty much disappear, and then they appear, and this is the new one. So yeah, this is the history map. I like to include those now because it makes some sense, I think, and the thermal map because it looks cool. So yeah, that was the video, and check the other ones.